You are not the special one. Now that you are gone, is it over for you? Over for you. I don't even have to cry, and I'll tell you why. There is nothing to lose, nothing to lose. Tell me why do you call me now? And I have to believe I don't